Adha. Adha means then. Adhaha. Adhaha means below. Api. Api means also. Ajaha. Ajaha means goat. Adhuna. Adhuna means now. Achalaha. Achalaha means immovable. Atavi. Atavi means forest. Adharam. Adharam lip. Adha. Adhaha. Api. Ajaha. Adhuna. Achalaha. Atavi. Adharam. Please watch repeatedly to learn the words with meanings.